In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Monzo. Before we get started, it's important to clarify something right away so you don't waste time searching through the app or website. Monzo does not offer physical checkbooks, and you also can't write or order checks from a Monzo account. Since Monzo is a digital bank, it doesn't provide traditional paper banking services like checkbooks, banker's drafts, or cashier's checks. So if you came here expecting to request a book of checks the way you might with a high street bank, the key takeaway is that this simply isn't available through Monzo. That's not a temporary setting or something hidden in the app. It's just not part of Monzo's banking features. What Monzo does offer instead is a set of digital payment methods designed to replace the need for checks in most situations. If you need to send money to someone, the main option is a bank transfer. You can transfer money directly from your Monzo account to another bank account using the app. This is usually the best choice when you have the recipient's account details and want a straightforward, secure way to move money. Another option is faster payments, which is especially useful in the UK. This allows you to send money quickly using a sort code and account number. In many cases, the payment arrives almost instantly, which makes it a convenient alternative to writing a check and waiting for it to be deposited and cleared. Monzo also offers Monzo.me, which is a simple payment link feature. With this, you can share a link to receive money from someone else or use it as an easy way to request payment. This can be especially helpful when you don't want to manually exchange bank details or when you're collecting money from friends, family, or customers. So, to sum it up clearly, you cannot order checks from Monzo because Monzo does not support checkbooks or physical checks at all. If your goal is to pay someone, you'll need to use one of Monzo's digital alternatives instead, such as a bank transfer, faster payments, or Monzo.me. If you know in advance that a person or business will only accept a physical check, you may need to use a different bank account from a provider that still supports checkbooks. But if digital payments are accepted, Monzo's built-in transfer options are typically faster and more convenient. That's everything you need to know about ordering checks from Monzo and what to use instead.